Meet the Doogee S118 Pro, the rugged smartphone designed to redefine durability and performance. Built for adventurers, professionals, and everyday users, this phone is ready for anything life throws at you. One of the standout features of the Doogee S118 Pro is its massive 10,800 mAh battery. Imagine days of uninterrupted use on a single charge. Whether you're on a remote adventure, tackling a long workday, or just hate carrying chargers, this phone has you covered. Plus, with fast charging, you'll be back to full power in no time. For those who love capturing moments, the 20-megapixel night vision camera is a game changer. It allows you to take crystal clear photos and videos, even in total darkness. Perfect for stargazing, wildlife photography, or nighttime security. Durability meets innovation with the Doogee S118 Pro. Certified with IP68 and IP69K ratings, this smartphone is waterproof, dustproof, and shockproof. Whether it's accidental drops, harsh weather, or extreme conditions, the military-grade build keeps you connected and protected. Enjoy vibrant colors and sharp visuals on the 6.58-inch FHD Plus display. Under the hood, the phone packs a high-performance processor, ensuring smooth multitasking and blazing fast performance. Need storage? With ample RAM and storage options, you'll have space for everything. Stay connected anywhere with 5G speeds and dual SIM capabilities. Whether managing work and personal life or streaming high-speed data in remote areas, the Doogee S118 Pro ensures seamless communication. In addition to its night vision prowess, the Doogee S118 Pro features a versatile camera setup for wide-angle shots, macro photography, and stunning selfies with the 16MP front-facing lens. The Doogee S118 Pro is more than just a smartphone. It's a reliable companion built for life's adventures and challenges. Ready to elevate your experience? Get the Doogee S118 Pro and conquer every moment.